Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best ear wax drops is probably one of the most important purchases you will make for your ear health, because dealing with excessive earwax can be a real pain, from muffled hearing to discomfort and even infection. Finding the right ear wax removal drops can make all the difference in maintaining healthy ears and preventing potential problems. In this video, we will review the top-rated ear wax removal drops on the market, helping you choose the best option for your needs and budget. Number 5. Debrox Ear Wax Removal Drops. Are you experiencing discomfort from excess ear wax? Debrox Ear Wax Removal Drops offer a gentle and effective solution. It's easy to use and helps relieve discomfort quickly. It uses a unique microfoaming action to gently soften and loosen ear wax. This allows the wax to drain naturally, providing comfortable relief. Do you frequently use earbuds, headphones, or hearing aids? They can contribute to wax buildup. This product helps address that issue safely and effectively at home. Debrox is safe for adults and children over 12. Simply squeeze 5 to 10 drops into each ear, and let the microfoam work its magic. Always consult a doctor for children under 12. This travel-sized bottle makes it easy to take with you wherever you go. It contains carbamide peroxide to help remove ear wax effectively and gently. Experience the Debrox difference. It's the simple, safe, and effective way to remove excess ear wax and restore comfort to your ears. What we like? It uses a microfoaming action to gently loosen earwax. This makes earwax removal at home easy and safe. If you're looking for a convenient and gentle solution for earwax buildup, this is a great choice for adults and children over 12. What people say. The drops were easy to apply and didn't irritate my ears at all. I followed the instructions, let them sit for a few minutes, and then gently flushed my ears, and wow! So much came out. I couldn't believe the difference. My hearing improved almost instantly, and that annoying plugged feeling was completely gone. It started to flush out ear wax from the second day, 4th application. Highly recommended. It is very easy to use and works amazingly. Product works very well for clearing wax buildup, easy to use with good results. Number 4. Debrox Ear Wax Removal Kit. Are you experiencing discomfort from built-up ear wax? It's a common problem, often caused by things like headphones or earplugs. Debrox can help. It uses a gentle microfoaming action to safely soften and loosen the wax, making it easier to remove at home. Debrox makes removing ear wax simple and safe. It contains carbamide peroxide to help break down the wax, so you can easily flush it away. The kit includes a bottle of Debrox ear wax removal drops and a soft bulb syringe. Everything you need for effective and comfortable ear cleaning. It's gentle and non-irritating, suitable for adults and children over 12. Always consult a doctor for children under 12. Simply apply 5 to 10 drops into each ear, wait, then gently flush with water using the bulb syringe. It's that easy. What we like? It also features a microfoaming action, but it comes with a bulb syringe for complete ear cleaning. It's a convenient kit for thorough at-home earwax removal. If you prefer a more comprehensive approach to earwax removal, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. After flushing my ear for about the umpteenth time, I still couldn't hear. I then became mad and grabbed that ear bulb syringe and flushed like there was no tomorrow, even putting the bulb as far as it would go, and then finally a huge ugly chunk of ear wax came shooting out and I could finally hear again. So after my first usage of leaving the solution inside my ear for 30 minutes, my ear still felt clogged, but still, I went to a sink and first attempted to drain the excess without using water by simply tilting my head, per recommendation by the website. However, nothing really came out because it was extra foamy. As the result, I went ahead and just flushed it out with warm water using the rubber bulb. All you really need to do is put the tip of the bulb slightly in so the water can get inside the canal. Don't overthink the flushing out part. Initially, after I flushed my ear out with water, a few loose pieces of wax in my ear came out, but it still felt clogged, even more so than before I put the Debrox solution in due to the foam building up. This stuff really does work, but you need to have a massive amount of patience. My ears were really clogged and this was the last resort before going to urgent care. The first day I had no luck, but the second day I got a little bit out, but I tried again at night but had the idea of letting it sit and lay on that side with a cotton ball under my ear and let it drain. Number 3. Earol Ear Wax Softener. Dealing with ear wax can be frustrating. This natural spray makes removal easy and comfortable, without the need for harsh methods. It's formulated with olive oil to gently soften and loosen ear wax. This allows it to be easily removed, restoring healthy hearing. Just a few sprays into the ear canal is all it takes. It's that simple and effective. It helps to prevent the buildup of ear wax, reducing the need for uncomfortable and potentially harmful syringing procedures. It can be used regularly to maintain good ear hygiene and prevent future wax buildup. Enjoy clear hearing naturally. Choose Earol for a gentle, effective, and natural way to manage ear wax. Experience the difference. What we like. This all-natural ear wax softener is simple and effective. It softens earwax to make removal easier and reduces the need for forceful syringing. If you prefer a natural approach to earwax removal, this is the best option for you. What people say. It works as described and has reduced wax buildup in my ears significantly. It dispenses the oil well into ear canal, and with one spray it generally stays in, reducing mess. After use, it doesn't drip from spray nozzle. Number 2. NAVEH PHARMA CleanEars. Say goodbye to ear wax buildup with CleanEars. It's a fast-acting spray that dissolves wax in just one treatment, leaving your ears feeling clean and clear. CleanEars' patented sprayer makes application simple and mess-free. No more tilting your head for minutes, just a few sprays and you're done. CleanEars is clinically proven to be superior to other over-the-counter products. It's 300% more effective than mineral oil alone at removing ear wax. This all-natural ear spray is gentle on sensitive skin. It's made with natural ingredients, is preservative-free, and contains no harsh chemicals. CleanEars is safe for infants, children, and adults. It helps prevent wax buildup and keeps ears clean, saving you time and money on doctor visits. What we like. This fast-acting spray is clinically proven effective and easy to use. It breaks down earwax quickly and efficiently. If you need a quick and effective solution for stubborn earwax, this is the one for you. What people say. CleanEars cleared up the wax and restored my hearing with the first application. Saved me a trip to the doctor to clean out the wax. This stuff works. Makes the ear feel great and opens it up. You can hear it working with you put a few drops your ear, and I can hear now. It used to be plugged and now it's not. Number 1. NAVEH PHARMA CleanEars. Introducing CleanEars, the fast-acting earwax removal spray. It's clinically proven to be more effective than other leading brands and is gentle enough for the whole family. With CleanEars' patented sprayer, there's no need to tilt your head for minutes. Its optimal dispersion and refreshing aroma make ear cleaning a breeze. CleanEars effectively and safely clears excess earwax, protecting your hearing without harsh chemicals. It's the all-in-one solution for unclogging even the most stubborn wax. CleanEars is clinically proven superior to other over-the-counter products in efficacy, safety, and ease of use. It's a safe alternative to cotton swabs. Made with high-quality ingredients, including olive oil and spearmint essential oil, it's gentle on sensitive skin. It contains no harsh solvents or chemicals. CleanEars is suitable for everyone, from infants to adults. Use it regularly to prevent wax buildup and save yourself a trip to the doctor. What we like. This is another fast-acting, clinically proven earwax removal spray, but in a smaller size. It's just as effective and easy to use as its larger counterpart. If you want the same great results in a more travel-friendly size, this is the perfect choice. What people say. CleanEars cleared up the wax and restored my hearing with the first application. Saved me a trip to the doctor to clean out the wax. This stuff works. Makes the ear feel great and opens it up. You can hear it working with you put a few drops your ear, and I can hear now. It used to be plugged and now it's not. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.